Hello, everyone. My name is Yifan Zhang, and I will talk about the problem 5 in homework 1. The problem is that it's about a broad test that the possibility for one person that the test result is positive is 0.1, and we need test the broad of 100 people. So we have two methods. The first one is that we can test each people one by one, and we need 100 tests. And the second one is that we can divide these people into 10 groups. So each group has 10 people, and the result, if the result is negative, so we need only one test because all people will be negative. And if the result is positive, we need 11 tests because we need to test the 10 people separately. And we need to know the average of the test number. So it means that EK, when K is the test times test number. And in this position, we should first say that in each group they have 10 people. So the probability of the broad to be negative is P equals 0.9, this like this, and it's about this. So this P is that the result is negative in this group, and so it's only need one test, and the test is positive and equals 1 minus P, and is 0.6513. So the result is very obvious that the average number should be because there are 10 groups, so it should multiply 10, and then P test is negative. Multiply its test number and it's 1, and plus test is negative, is positive, sorry. And multiply is its number and it's 11. So we can see that the result is about 75.13, and that's a result. So, but we can find a more better way to test those people. So we can assume that they are each group. We have X people, so we need 100 this kind groups. So we can see in this picture, that there are X people per group. So we have 100 X groups. And for every group, because K is the test number, so the probability that K equals 1 is 0.9 x, and the probability that K equals 1 plus x is 1 minus the previous one. So we can see the last, and this is the result of x. So this is the result. So it's that because there are this is the group number, and it's the average number that each group will take. and we can see that it will show like that, this function. And we can see that this function's graph is shown in the picture in the computer. That this is the function, and this is the graph of it. And we can see obviously that when x equals 3 or 4, because x must be an integer, so when x equals 3 or 4, this will reach its minimum number. So we can say that when x equals 3, so we can divide it into 33 groups and plus one separate person. And so the result is that 99 multiply like this. So just put x equals 3 to this function, and plus one separate person that he lead a test. So the result is that. And when x equals 4, the result is that just put x equals 4 to this function, and the result is that. So we can see that when x equals 4, it will take the minimum number of average tests to get the result, and the minimum number is 59.39, and that's all. Thank you.